basis, those can't go to GLSL. And so those get split out and run separate. So we basically create two separate programs. So.
Did you try running the verifier to check to make sure the IR going into the container was safe?
No, but I will I will give that a try.
Yeah, the verifier is this nice mode where it returns you a bool if it's not correct.
Oh, see, this is the sort of those not using things as well as we should kind of. Thank you. Oh, Chris asked if we had tried running the verifier on our IR to check to see that it was not about to crash, and the answer to that was no. So yes.
The verifier can either return a bool if it's bad, if it's abort, or I think it's not about exception probably won't work, but you can run it in two modes. It will either return you a bool or it will report your program depending on what it is.
Okay. Yes.
In your example, actually, you could see that you were not inlining the image template, right? So you call something like.
So.
Any effect on register thread or whatever that selected?
So. Yeah, so why were we calling a sample function from C rather than just coding up the sample function in LLVM IR and letting it inline? The answer to that was because we support a lot of formats and various, basically formats and byte orderings, and ultimately, we're not necessarily able to say at compile time if an image is a particular format, because you can pass images into subordinate functions and call sample on those, and so you can kind of alias the image variables essentially. So, but we're looking into kind of ways to make that better, because that is our main bottleneck. So I'm not sure which of you guys were first. Well, we get these. Why don't we spit it out in C code? For a particular, because we don't have a runtime C compiler essentially. If you have a particular kernel, you're almost always going to be better writing it yourself in C and doing all the tricks to make it really cool and fast. But our goal is to take in sort of at runtime arbitrary things and run them. Now, if we had a sort of a C to machine code runtime thing, then we might have done that. So yes.
So how can you decide to use LLVM? What else would you consider?
Well, I'm not really the right person to answer that, because the decision to use LLVM kind of got going before I joined the team, and I kind of got wooed to the LLVM project from the HLSL compiler team at Microsoft, and LLVM was kind of already a going concern in our thing. Because remember, it's being used in After Effects CS3, and that shipped most of a year and a half ago. I can't remember exactly, and so just wind back in the development time for that ship date, and so.
Legacy code.
It's very good. Some legacies are really good, So. Okay. Cool. All right. Well, thank you.